How do I teach the children about prepositions to where they can understand it the easiest way? Okay, let's take you to our stimulus cards. These are fantastic because the kids are going to be using and learning sign language at the same time. Doesn't matter if you don't have a deaf kid or a hard of hearing kid, but perhaps you have a nonverbal student, or maybe even just for your hearing kids to grasp these concepts because they're using their hands to implement it. We know how it works because when we sing songs with the kids, aren't we using hand movements? Yes. So why don't we go ahead and add this to your lessons? And we're going to make it super simple for you because we're going to take this and give you all the vocabulary here so you don't ever have to wonder, how are these signed? You can put them on your walls in the classroom and then go for it and have it in English and Spanish and sign language. So these are going to be encouraging development and recognition of prepositions. Let's get started. Okay, so we have several of the ideas for this, and I'm going to show you the cards right here of what they look like. And by the way, they are in Spanish as well. So this is a sample of what one of the cards looks like. And so what we can do with these cards is we can use sorting to where they can put them together, stack them in groups related to whatever preposition they represent, okay? Another idea will be matching. So you can, the play game, a memory game, or you can just look at this and say, okay, I need you to find all of the cards that represents the word for in, okay? The pumpkin is in. Where is that card? And then they can look at the table that you've laid these cards out and they can pick them up and start stacking them up. Another idea that's super fun because the kids love going on a hunt, right? So you're going to be putting these around the rooms, and then the kids have these cards right here in their hand and they get to go and find the match on the wall. Or you can think of other ideas, I'm sure, as well. Then we have sentence building, okay? And with that, you can use a simple card and let your student then create a sentence with that one card. So like for the example for this one, I put the pumpkin in the box. Simple, right? So they're going to only be using the sign for in to reinforce that one concept. And you can see how it looks just like the word for in. See, I'm putting it in something. Okay, we have some additional ideas. Would you like a few more? I thought you would. So here we go. You can use them for small group direction and instructions. You can play, where is the pumpkin? You could have a real pumpkin in your classroom and then go put it at different places. And for the kids to then say and sign at the same time that preposition word. You can have them, again, just use these cards to create these stories and have them sort the cards, naming them. You could pair them up and have one be the teacher and the other the student, and they can swap off. They absolutely love this. So again, this unit is found at ASLTeachingResources.com. It's in our pre-K curriculum found there, and this is Unit 3. So many different resources in that for teaching children with sign language support and Spanish. So go check it out for yourself. And hey, do us a favor, share the website ASL Teaching Resources in your Facebook group to help others know we are here to support them too. Thank you.